Hello, my name is Mason, and I'm currently a third year here at Mines in the MMU department, and I'm from Chicago. For my second knife, which I have named G-Baby, is made of CPM154 stainless steel pins, and a black ash and resin handle. G-Baby has a much longer blade with a curved tip. Its long edge provides ample space to cut large cuts of meat, fruits, vegetables, etc. without needing to take several passes with a knife. I chose CPM154 because of its great wear and corrosion resistance. Being a kitchen knife, G-Baby needs to withstand acidic and wet environments whenever it's used, so steel with high chromium content is necessary to prevent that early on corrosion. CPM154 is manufactured via powder metallurgy, so its grain structure is much finer compared to conventional steels, and its carbides distribute more uniformly during heat treatment, giving CPM154 a generally greater toughness and wear resistance than most conventional steels, which is great for a knife because I don't want to sharpen it. I chose the handles material because I thought it would look cool, and it certainly does. If I have learned anything from this class, it is that there is way more going on in a steel's microstructure than anybody would reasonably expect. Now the real question, what exactly can G-Baby do?
It crushes.
Sharp.
It dices.
Wow.
It cuts.
That's cut-tacular.
It slices.
Goodbye, fungi.
It chops.
My God.
It seasons. It even stirs.
I want that knife.
I just cut myself.